In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an SSA 1099 on H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to switch over to Federal here on the drop-down menu, and you want to first go through this part, which is your info. Just fill this out, make sure you take your time, and actually put in the correct info, double-check everything just to be sure, and then when you're done, you'll be able to switch over to the Income tab and answer a few basic questions, and after that's done, you'll see it's going to say either your income is looking a little empty. Now, if it says that, click on this button, but usually you will just see eventually when you click through it, how did you earn money last year? And from here, the easiest way to add the SSA 1099 is to scroll down to the bottom, and where it says search for a form, you simply type in SSA, and it's automatically going to find it over here. So SSA 1099, click on plus add over here, and then you can click on go there. It's going to take you in here. You can then go ahead and add your account, and as you can see here, this is the form 1099 SSA down at the bottom. You could go and click on it and click on next, and then from here you can just start this form and start filling it out. And of course, as usual, H&R Block is going to guide you all the way through it to do that for yourself. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.